March 2021, International Women's Day. And here are a few ladies telling you what is the best thing about being a woman.
आप एक लड़की हो, है ना? तो एक लड़की होने के बारे में सबसे बेस्ट या सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है? थोड़ा तो सोचो।
नहीं बता।
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है?
नहीं
बताओ, थोड़ा सोचो।
पानी।
Okay, so what is the best thing about being a woman? Okay, so according to me, being a woman, being able to give life, I think that's an amazing thing, because like I and like other women like me, they have the power to give life to a new human being, and I think that's magical, that's amazing. And another thing that I think is very special about being a woman is that a woman is fearless. It is a huge part of being a woman, that you're fearless, because no matter how the world look at you, no matter how the world say that women are crippled, they're weak and they cannot do anything, but the moment you're a woman, the moment you're a girl, you are fearless, because you have to fight for everything that comes your way. You don't get anything easy. Everything, may it be the rights, may it be the basic needs, you have to fight for it. So being a woman, you're fearless, you're amazing, you have the right to give birth. I think that makes womanhood so beautiful and so amazing.
सबसे बेहतरीन बात मेरे लिए तो ये रहेगी कि मैं जैसे अपने माँ बाबा की एक बेटी हूँ, तो मैं एक ही टाइम पे उनकी बेटी भी हूँ और बेटा भी हूँ। मतलब जैसे बॉयज के लिए स्पेसिफाई रहता है ना कि आप लहंगा चुन्नी नहीं पहन सकते, आप मांग टिक्का नहीं लगा सकते एंड ऑल, बट गर्ल्स के लिए कुछ नहीं रहता। हम कोट भी पहन सकते हैं, जीन्स भी पहन सकते हैं, सब पहन सकते हैं। तो और कुछ भी मतलब एक बार में दो चीज रह सकती है, राइट? तो ये मेरे को सबसे बेहतरीन बात लगती है एक लड़की होने के बारे में।
What is the best thing about being a woman? Okay. Best thing about being... I feel like there's a lot of things, but if I have to choose the best thing about being a woman, maybe being able to multitask is one. Like, I feel like we can do multitask better at stuff. And I see my mom doing work at home, unka multitasking, then I feel like compared to guys, we can take in a lot of commands as one. Like, एक साथ बहुत सारी चीजें सुन के we can perform accordingly. That's I think that's a bit tough for guys. Like, they can't really, they get very flustered when they hear like more than one commands. You have to go on like step by step with them. So I feel like we are better at multitasking. So वो एक चीज है.
I feel women are really compassionate and strong, and that is what makes them beautiful. Not to say that men aren't strong or compassionate, but these two traits are common between all women, and that is what makes them beautiful. And I think that's the best thing. I sometimes so wanna scold my brother or like let him be, but the inner woman in me is like, no, like this is not right. So I feel, have a very loving or caring thing, trait inside us, which I believe is the best thing. Also, I'm really lucky to be a woman, because I'll get to experience such beautiful roles as a mother, wife, and as a sister, which requires or which has an important trait like strength and compassion. So I think the best thing about being a woman is you have that compassion, strength, or loving and caring nature, something inside you, and you know वो कभी कभी पता नहीं कहाँ से भी जाग जाता है. So that is the best thing I feel.
ओके तो जो सबसे बेहतरीन बात मुझे लगती है एक औरत होने की या बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ वुमन होने का, वो मुझे ये लगता है कि मुझे बहुत पावरफुल फील होता है जब मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है आगे जाके आगे की जनरेशन को वो वैल्यूज़ और वो एथिक्स सिखाने की जो उन्हें करेक्टिव एक्शंस और डिसीजंस लेने में हेल्प करे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक माँ ही अपने लड़के को सिखा सकती है कि उसके लिए कितना ज़रूरी है औरत की रिस्पेक्ट करना, उनके साथ मिसबिहेव ना करना एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली उन्हें इक्वल ट्रीट करना कॉर्पोरेट्स में या कहीं पर भी, और उसके काम को भी उतनी प्रायोरिटी देना जितना वो खुद के काम को देता है. दैट्स इट. तो वो चीज़ जब मैं फील करती हूँ कि मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली आगे की जनरेशन को वो चीज़ कन्वे करने की, तो मैं बहुत पावरफुल फील करती हूँ. एंड एक और चीज़ जो मैं विमेन होने के बारे में बहुत अच्छा फील करती हूँ वो ये कि मेरे पापा मुझे ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू माई ब्रदर. ओके तो ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
My question is, what is the best thing about being a woman? एक औरत या लड़की होने के बारे में सबसे बेहतरीन बात क्या है? I am very proud of being a woman. I am very passionate about my work. Women are always passionate about their work. I am very confident about everything I do. I never regret things. Being a patient of PCOS, I have very bad mood swings, and everybody know there is not always somebody with you. So I am very strong enough to handle those mood swings alone on my own. I never wanted anybody to be around me. I think that's the best thing, that we can handle ourselves in every problem, in every bad situation. We can handle ourselves in every bad situation. We really don't need anybody around us. We are very strong enough to handle ourselves, and that's the best thing about being a woman. Happy Women's Day.
What is the best thing about being a woman? एक लड़की होने के बारे में सबसे बेहतरीन बात क्या है? This is my question. So it's a very good question, and like the question is, सबसे बेहतरीन बात क्या है? तो I just think like क्या what not it is being a woman. Being a woman, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक वो इंसान हो जिसमें एक वुमेन में वो शक्तियाँ, वो पावर होती है दैट शी कैन डू एनीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, एनीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. As one example, I just wanted to quote that I was I'm scrolling Facebook, and I just saw one post in which she's a constable or something, that lady, and she was holding her son while doing the duty in the roads. Means she was in road में थी वो, and she was doing duty. So it was this gives strength and happiness that एक woman क्या नहीं कर सकती है, मीन्स what not she can do, मीन्स क्या हिम्मत नहीं है उसको करने की, क्या पावर नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप बेस्ट हो अपने में यार, मतलब बहुत बेस्ट हो. मतलब आई जस्ट फील प्राउड टू बी अ वुमेन and literally surrounded by so many good ladies and so many good women around me. So yeah,
Okay, so the question is, what is the best part about being a woman? And that is something I've never thought about. Oh God, yes, I have never thought about it until I was asked today. Answering that would be a little tricky because there are a lot of things which make it too special to be a woman. One thing I love the most is that the kind of woman I am today than the girl I was yesterday. So I'm proud of the woman I am today, and that is because of the special qualities we all have within us, right? I love that we have an additional quality to be so lovable, to be so compassionate to even the most worst people in our life. And to the worst people in our life also, we don't call them worst, okay? So yeah, that's something very beautiful about being a woman, that I have so much in me to be able to share that same love with someone else. And I know that there are so many other girls who have the same special power within them. So the answer will always remain incomplete according to me, because we can never list our superpowers, right? We can always show them the magic we have within us. So yeah, that's it. Happy Women's Day and lots of love to everyone watching this right now. Yeah.
तो मुझे क्वेश्चन मिल गया है, जिस द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट बीइंग अ वुमन. बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट बीइंग अ वुमन को बहुत डिफिकल्ट है एक लाइन में आंसर करना. तो मैं 2-3 पॉइंट्स मिक्स करके अपना आंसर फ्रेम करूंगी. सबसे पहला कि वुमेन आर द बेस्ट एट मल्टीटास्किंग. मतलब आदमी लोग पागल हो जाते हैं अगर उनको एक से ज्यादा काम दिया जाता है तो ऐसा मेरा बस व्यूज है. ऐसा कोई दिल पे मत ले लेना कोई मर्द. हाँ, तो लड़कियों को कितने भी ज्यादा काम दे दिए जाए, कितना भी ज्यादा उन पे बोझ डाल दिया जाए, दे विल कम आउट विक्टोरियस. नंबर 2, वी हैव द एबिलिटी टू प्ले विथ आवर इमोशंस. मतलब हमारे रिजल्ट्स का जो बेसिस है वो सिर्फ लॉजिक नहीं होता है, इमोशंस भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वी कम आउट वेरी केयरिंग. एंड एक मदरली नेचर होता है सब लड़कियों में राइट फ्रॉम द एज व्हेन दे आर यंग. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल और दैट हेल्प्स वुमेन गो फर्दर इन लाइफ या अचीव सक्सेस इन व्हाटएवर वे दे वांट टू बी. और क्या है लड़की होने का फायदा? द फ्रेंडशिप्स वी हैव आर प्योर. ऐसा दिखाया जाता है मूवीज में और ये सब में कि लड़कियों की फ्रेंडशिप हमेशा जेलसी और हेट से होती है, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. द ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप्स वी हैव लास्ट फॉर लाइफ टाइम. एंड दैट्स इट.
सो my question is, what is the best thing about being a woman? It just is so tough when it comes to actually speaking. It's impromptu. So, the best thing about being a woman is, I think not everybody has the ability to do a lot of stuff all together. Like initially, of course, we were bound to the four walls of the house and whatever. But now, when we are working also and we are managing home also, so there's a perfect blend of managing your work life and your professional life and your personal life. So I think not everybody has the talent of multitasking, and that's what we as women are doing. That's one good thing about us. We have a high toleration bar. Since I don't know how is this happening, but since we face a lot of things day in and day out, and I feel that is one thing that has actually risen our bar for tolerance. Another thing that I really like about being a woman is that we actually get to bring another human being to life. And that is insane. I mean, that is so. I mean, just imagine actually making a human being inside your body, and when the person is born, every single cell of that human being belongs to you. It was made by you. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all. Am I missing anything? We have good tolerance level. We're very kind. We're very sensitive. So we actually tend to see a lot of things on the basis of emotions. Biased, unbiased, I don't know, but it usually happens that a lot of decisions that we take are somewhat aligned to our emotions and our feelings as well. So I think we think a couple of times before making a final decision. Am I on the right track while I'm answering this? I don't know. But yeah, these are a couple of things that I feel are the best. Being a woman, right?
मैं एक चीज़ बोलूँगी उसको रिपीट करना है, ठीक है? सब्सक्राइब टू OJ7. थैंक यू.
मम्मी, वो जसविनी का नंबर है आपके पास? अरे यार मम्मी, मुझे कहाँ गलत नंबर. अरे मम्मी के में भेजो. सॉरी. बहुत सारी एडिटिंग करनी पड़ेगी तो मैं